Hey folks, Aaron here. I have a scout to show you today. This is number 791, and I'll have a couple extra scouts over the next few months as we try to pay off some shop renovation plans. So this one's got some curly myrtle on the back and sides. Really nice grain and figure in this one with a big, cool, beautiful knot that I love right here. I love the book match on the myrtle there. It's got a redwood top. And then the neck is a piece of salvage fir complete with nail holes. So this is definitely for somebody who likes that sort of thing. And then oak pretty much everywhere else. Just some white oak scraps, not sure which project they came from, but it looks good. And then I did some maple for the binding and the bridge. And this one, redwood is mellow, but it's got like a nice dusty front edge to the tone. And this one responds to a soft touch really well. It's just a really pleasant instrument to play. So yeah, this is going out to the scout list right now. 791. Thanks.